Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to DM Midjourney bot. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to DM Midjourney bot, just simply open your Discord application at first, and after opening the Discord server, you will get to see something like this. You just simply have to go into Midjourney and from there select any of the general chat or rooms, and after that whenever you'll see this Midjourney bot, you just simply have to tap into that profile of Midjourney, and now you will get the option of message into here. Just simply tap into that message button in order to DM. Now you can easily DM the Midjourney bot from here. I hope this way you can easily message Midjourney bot anytime you'd like. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.